Singapore. This isn't just any ordinary city. It's a country that went from poor to rich in just 50 years. A place where people used to struggle with dirt and mess, and now it's got one of the cleanest lifestyles in the world. That's Singapore, a small place, but a big example for the whole world.
In 1942, Japanese forces took over British Singapore. For 3 years, people lived under fear, hunger, and brutal oppression. Then, in 1945, the British came back. In 1959, Singapore was granted limited self-government by the British Crown. And in 1963, Singapore joined hands with Malaysia, but within just 2 years, differences in language, politics, and goals led to a split. August 9, 1965. That was the day Singapore became fully independent. But independence didn't feel like a celebration. It was filled with fear, confusion, and uncertainty. A tiny island. No natural resources, no fresh water, no army, just its people, and a single hope.
Lee Kuan Yew, the man who decided that Singapore would become a role model for the world. He didn't just wipe out corruption, he made education, technology, and trade the foundation of Singapore's future. Today, Singapore is one of the cleanest cities in the world. Public transport runs on time. This is a country with no natural resources, no land, no oil, and yet, through discipline and smart planning, it achieved everything. Let's take a look at the places that helped turn this city into a crown jewel of the world.
Marina Bay Sands, balanced on 3 towers. This futuristic hotel isn't just a building, it's an icon. From its rooftop infinity pool, you can see the whole city. Gardens by the Bay. This magical garden lights up at night. With artificial trees, light shows, and a futuristic design, it's the perfect blend of nature and technology. Singapore Zoo and Night Safari, a wild space where animals roam freely. It's a rare connection between humans and nature that you don't see every day. Sentosa Island, the home of fun, beaches, and adventure.
And if you haven't tried Singapore's food, then honestly, you haven't really seen Singapore. Hainanese chicken rice. This is Singapore's national dish. Simple, delicious. Laksa, a spicy mix of coconut curry and noodles. It's not just a taste, it's a feeling. Chili crab. For seafood lovers, this is heaven. Crab drenched in a sweet and spicy gravy. Totally finger-licking good. Kopi and kaya toast. Start your morning right with a strong local coffee and toast spread with coconut jam. Singapore's perfect breakfast combo.
Singapore taught us this: if your intentions are strong, even the smallest places can become the biggest inspirations. With discipline and honesty, anything is possible. If you enjoyed this story of Singapore, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next journey. Until then, take care and goodbye.